Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. Ever have a brilliant idea pop into your head, something clever, important, even life-changing, and then poof, it's gone just seconds later? Welcome to the ADHD brain. It's like having a mind that's constantly firing on all cylinders, full of creativity, energy, and insights, but with no guarantee that those flashes of brilliance will stick around. ADHD brains are fast-paced, like a browser with 50 tabs open, all playing sound. They're constantly buzzing with ideas, insights, reminders, and sudden flashes of inspiration. It's a superpower, until those thoughts slip away. But what if you could instantly capture those fleeting thoughts right when they hit, before distractions take over or memory fades? Imagine having a tool that acts like a mental safety net, catching your ideas mid-air and storing them for later, no matter where you are or what you're doing. That's not just helpful, it's a game changer for ADHD. Enter Braintoss, a fast capture app designed for quick thinkers. It's your brain's best friend, ready to catch ideas in seconds. Braintoss is not your typical note-taking or productivity app. It's designed for one thing and one thing only, to get your thought out of your head and into your inbox, instantly. With Braintoss, there's no clutter or menus. Just open the app and send your thoughts directly to your email or connected apps. With just one tap, you can record a voice message, type a quick note, and snap a photo. Then, Braintoss emails it directly to your inbox. That's it. No clutters, no apps to organize, just a straight pipeline from your brain to a safe place. Mental clutter is a common challenge for ADHD individuals, and Braintoss acts as a mental inbox, offloading the noise and freeing your mind. One of the biggest challenges for people with ADHD is something called working memory. Basically, holding a thought in your head while you're doing something else. And let's be honest, that thought usually disappears before we even get the chance to act on it. That's where Braintoss comes in. It acts like an external brain, giving you a place to park those fast-flying thoughts the moment they show up, before they vanish into the mental abyss. Using Braintoss is as easy as it gets. But a few simple tweaks can make it even more ADHD-friendly. First, set it up to send notes directly to your main email inbox, the place you check most often. Next, lean into using voice notes. Your brain moves fast, and speaking your thoughts is often quicker and more natural than typing. Think of your inbox as a processing station. Set aside a time each day to review your Braintoss entries and take action. Whether that means adding them to your calendar, your to-do list, or a note-taking app like Notion or Timo. Finally, keep your phone's home screen minimal and distraction-free, and make sure Braintoss is front and center so you can access it instantly when a thought strikes. How can ADHD brains use Braintoss effectively? Let's say you're walking out of a meeting and suddenly remember that your friend's birthday is this Friday. You could try opening your calendar or to-do list, but by the time you get there, you're already distracted by 5 other things. And just like that, the memory's gone. With Braintoss, it's a different story. One tap, speak your thought, buy cake for Jane's birthday Friday. Done. Or maybe you're driving and suddenly come up with a killer idea for your project. Safely pull over, tap the app, and say, update presentation with the carbon data for slide 4, captured and sent. It's that quick. Whether it's a mid-conversation idea, something that hits you during your morning routine, or even a classic shower thought, Braintoss is built for those real ADHD moments where ideas come fast and disappear just as quickly. Braintoss works brilliantly as a standalone tool, but it really shines when paired with your favorite productivity apps. Think of it as your first line of defense, a net that catches your thoughts before they vanish into the mental void. Jot down a quick idea in Braintoss, then later sort it into Notion to organize your thoughts, send it to Todoist to turn it into an action, drop it in Google Calendar for a timely reminder, or sync it with Timo to build it into your daily routine. It's the perfect bridge between spontaneous ideas and structured systems, especially helpful for ADHD minds that move quickly but need gentle structure to stay on track. Managing ADHD isn't about forcing yourself to think differently. It's about building systems that work with your brain, not against it. Braintoss may look simple on the surface, but that simplicity is its strength. It removes the friction between a thought and an action. No clutter, no distraction, just one tap to capture what matters. Whether it's a reminder to call your doctor, a random idea that hits during your commute, or a flash of inspiration mid-shower, Braintoss makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Think of it as your brain's best friend, always ready, always listening, never judging. So if you're looking for an ADHD-friendly way to catch your thoughts before they vanish, give Braintoss a try. A minimalist way to remember what matters. Capture thoughts before they slip away, reducing stress and enhancing focus. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6564-6533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.